Hello everyone, welcome to Posh and Classy channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you this beautiful green smoky eye look. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily create this look with winged eyeliner. So if you're interested to know how to create this look, keep on watching, and now let's get started. So here first I'm going to use this Loreal infallible concealer. It's a full wear concealer. So I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. If you prefer primer, you can go with it. I prefer concealer, so I'm going to apply it all over my lid and blend it with a concealer brush nicely. After blending concealer, I'm going to set it with compact powder. You can even use loose powder, it's upon you. So here I'm using this L'Oreal compact powder with this pack puff. I'm going to dab and just remove the excess with the help of the buffing brush, powder brush. So here I'm going to dust it off, the excess powder. And for palette, here I'm using Crystal Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetic, and it's a beautiful palette. As you can see, it contains of matte and shimmer shade. I really love this palette. So I'm going to pick this lighter shade, has a transition shade, and I'm going to use this Sigma E45 brush. This is a big blending brush, so it depends upon your eyes. If you have a big eyes, like big eyelid space like me, so you can go with this brush. But if you have a smaller eyelid space to work with the colors, you can go with a medium kind of fluffy brush to blend the transition shade on your crease. So I'm just going to blend this in circular and in out like this motion. I'm going to blend it very nicely. So take your time while blending the transition shade so that it just blends seamlessly with your skin. After that, I'm going to pick this darker shade and working it at the outer corner of me and going in and out, going to blend with the lighter shade. So as you can see, the outer part is little bit darker, but yes, we are going to blend. You can just clean the brush with any dry towel and use the brush in the circular motion and try to just blend that darker shade, and yes, it's going to blend seamlessly, so you don't have to worry about the shade. So always whenever you pick a darker shade, dust off the excess and then use that shade, otherwise it's going to become very patchy and your eye look doesn't look neat and tidy. So you can use this tip while doing eyeshadow blending. So I'm going to blend with the lighter shade also to blend the darker one. So keep blending till you get the seamless blending look. So after that, I'm going to use this Lakme Insta Cool Kajal. Apply all over your eyelid, but don't go above your crease line. After applying kajal all over your eyelid, just blend it and make sure you use a kajal that smudge and doesn't get dry quickly, otherwise it won't blend nicely. So I'm going to blend it with a fluffy brush. So take your time when you blend this kajal. Even you can use gel eyeliner. After that, I'm picking again this darker shade and going to blend it into my crease. Next, I'm going to blend it with this fluffy brush so that everything blends seamlessly. Now I'm picking up this green shimmer and you can see the pigmentation, how beautiful this shimmer looks on my lid. I really love this. You doesn't need any glitter or any liquid shadow. These shimmers are heaven. Like, you can apply and go with it. Like, it's so nice. It does look so sparkling and it is really beautiful. Next, I'm going to use this inglot gel liner and I'm going to create a wing liner. The angled brush here I'm using, this is from the EYECONIC brush set, and this is an amazing brush if you want to create a very good sleek kind of wing eyeliner, very pointy kind of liner. So this is really very nice brush. So you can see how easily I created this wing. It was so easy with this brush. Next, I'm applying this Faces Canada Kajal on my lower waterline. And I'm going to tightline my upper waterline as well. Next, I'm going to use that darker shade, dark brown one, on my lashes, lower lashes, to blend it nicely with that kajal. And to blend the darker shade, I'm going to blend it with the lighter shade which I used previously on my crease. That was my transition shade, so that everything blends seamlessly and there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to set my eyebrow with this dark brown shade which is from ELF. This is a dark wow brow shade. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply few coats of mascara. For mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Luminous Lash Paradise waterproof mascara. So as you know, monsoon is there, so you need a waterproof mascara so that it won't budge or smudge on your eyes. And yeah, so before applying fall eyelashes, do apply mascara, guys. And that's it. This is my final look. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And yes, if you like this video, do hit the subscribe button for watching such more videos on my channel, because I share different kind of looks on my channel, like smoky eye, red smoky eye, shimmery eyes, like different varieties of look you're gonna see on my channel. So yes, if you enjoy watching this tutorial, do hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel with bell icon, so that you never miss any videos. And yeah, whenever I upload a video, you will first get the notification of it. And that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Till then, take care.